Assalamualaikum and welcome to this YouTube channel. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment and like to show your support. In this question, we will be looking at question related to conversion of unit. The question here, a solid piece of lead has a mass of 23.94 gram and a volume of 2.10 centimeter cube. From this data, calculate the density of lead in SI unit, which is in kilogram per meter cube. To calculate density, the equation rho is equal to m over v. The mass here is 23.94 and then the unit is in gram. The volume is 2.10 centimeter cube. The value of the density will be 11.4 gram per centimeter cube. We cannot leave our answer until this point because the question requires us to calculate the density of lead in kilogram per meter cube. So I will be writing the density here, 11.4 gram per centimeter cube, and then now we're going to convert the unit. First of all, let's convert gram to kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So mathematically, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this value with 1, so we are mathematically correct. By saying that we are multiplying by 1 is actually having this fraction, and then the fraction is actually the conversion of the unit. So I'm going to put 1 kilogram as denominator, and then the denominator will be 1000 gram. Because it is equivalent to one another, this is equal to 1. And what happened next is actually we can eliminate gram because we can treat unit algebraically. So in this case, we can eliminate gram. So the equation now is just reduced to 11.4 multiplied with 1 kilogram divided by 1000 centimeter cube. The final unit until this point is kilogram per centimeter cube. So now we need to change centimeter to the power of 3 to meter to the power of 3. Again, we're going to be multiplying with the conversion, and then I'm going to put 1 cm as denominator over the equivalent 1 times 10 to the power of negative 2 meter. However, as you can see here, cm is to the power of 3. So what we can do here is actually give power of 3 to this conversion. And then next, we have to give power of 3 for each of the parameters inside of this parentheses. So what happened next is actually I can write down 11.4 gram per centimeter cube, and then we have here 1 kilogram over 1000 gram, and then we have 1 to the power of 3 cm to the power of 3 over 1 times 10 to the power of negative 2 to the power of 3, and then meter to the power of 3. And then we can combine the numerical values together and then the unit together in two fractions. So 11.4 multiply with 1 to the power of 3 over the values in the denominator is 1000 gram, and then multiply with 1 times 10 to the power of, now it is going to be equal to -6. And then we can list all of the unit together: gram, kilogram, and then centimeter cube, divide by centimeter cube. We have gram again, and then we have last meter cube. So we can eliminate the common unit that appears both on the nominator and the denominator, which is gram, and centimeter cube with centimeter cube. So in the end, the unit will be in kilogram per meter cube. And if you calculate this, the value is going to be 11400, or 11,400, and then the unit is going to be in kilogram per meter cube. Moving on now, we need to actually report our answer to the correct significant figures. The reason because is actually the mathematical operation here is division. And then with that, we have to report our answer to the smallest number of significant figures. So let's inspect the given parameters. Here we have the mass, 4 significant figures, and then the volume is 3 significant figures. With that, our final answer should also be in 3 significant figures. To do so, we can report our answer in terms of scientific notation. So it will be 11.4 times 10 to the power of 3, and then the unit is going to be kilogram per meter cube. And then you can obtain this number just by pressing the ENG button to find the engineering prefix related to the answer or appropriate to the answer. Right, so remember, whenever you have a very large number or very small number, the final answer should be according to the correct significant figures or decimal places. And then in this case, for division, we have to refer to the number of significant figures. So this is going to be our correct final answer.